What if I'm telling you that this kind of website, you can make it in less than 10 seconds? Hard to believe, right? But let me show you an amazing tool that you can get right away after this video. I'm gonna show you right now. So thank you for being in this video. If you're not, please subscribe to this channel and smash the like button. It helped me a lot, and let me know what you like and what you don't like as videos. So please help me a lot. And also, we're not going to lie, it helps for the reference month. So please help me with that. I'm growing this channel and I want to bring you the best value. So this software called Wave, so you can buy it here. So it's not free, but I'm going to show you how you can make it cheaper. So you can go and you logging on the panel, and then what is good with this is that you can have a complete website super quickly. And what is good also is that in those articles, so it's like random article, but you can make it on a specified niche. What is good is like you can put all your affiliate link, and so it's good because at some point it will help you to sell for you. So it's really nice because you can tell that I didn't write all of this word. I don't even know what that's talking about, because once again it's the example. So what is important with that is that this kind of website can help you to make money in passive income, because the website is made, the articles are made, and also your affiliate links are putting inside the software in few minutes. So it's pretty good. And you can see here you have some random post, and you have also a product here. So you have a product, and what is good, it's like, so it's a review on the product, and at some point it will help you to make money, because it will get the affiliate link. So you can see here, yeah, so you can see here you have the link. So it's pretty good, because if people click on it and buy it, the affiliate sales will be for you, so you will make money without doing anything. Because once again, I didn't write all of this. It would be too long, and also I don't even know what it's about, like these pills. But what is good is like I know it's a good product because I took it on ClickBank, and I know it was pretty good ranking, pretty good ranked. So it's pretty nice, and I suggest you to put that in mind. So it's pretty nice because I know it could help you to get a lot of sales super quickly. So what you can do, it's like you go on admin panel, and so it's super easy because you can have everything you want. You can have like the RSS feed that you want to put, so you can import an RSS feed, so it's pretty nice. You can also add pages. You can have a reward system, which means that every, let's say $100, you can be paid and you can make money. So it's pretty good because that automates your affiliate payment right away. You don't have to do anything. And what is good also is that you can really put whatever you want to get a real website and to get a proper website to set up. So this panel that you can see here right now, it's like the panel of your website, but before that you have the panel of your software, and I'm going to show you right away. So you see what is good, it's like you have the academy here, and it can help you to understand what you can do. So you have like 11 videos to know everything you need. And what is good, it's like you can create a website in like 10 seconds, but it's awesome because it's not with WordPress. So if you think that WordPress is too hard, it's pretty good because it will be super quick. So you can see that I create my website, but it can be whatever you want. And also you can have the domain that change. So for the example, I didn't do it, but you can change the domain name. I don't know how to do it, to be honest, because I'm not that far into the tech stuff. I don't even know what to do with my own website, so I'm sorry, but I'm pretty sure if you know how to do it, you can do it. So traffic, that's all the platform where you can spread all your articles. So once again, I think what is good with that is to get a SEO ranking. So with the lot of articles, you will get multiples people coming directly from Google. RSS, it's what is good, it's that brings you to RSS Ground, which is a free account. I mean, you can pay, but what we use is like a free account, and it's good because we can have private feed. And for example, what I did is like I did a ClickBank private feed, so that will generate me article based on ClickBank product, and that will also put directly my affiliate link. So I'm going to show you right away. So you see what is good, it's like if you want to put your affiliate link on clickbait, you just put your username of clickbait username, and what is good, it's like it will go directly to your order link. So you put your affiliate ID, you can put your tracking ID too, and I will directly put right away in all the link in the article. So that's it. Your articles are good. You don't have anything to do, just to promote your website, and it's pretty good. So you can do up to 10 private feeds. It's free, so it's pretty nice, and I really love this tool because in 2 seconds you can make a website that is perfectly designed with your affiliate links, and you can spread it to everybody. So what I suggest, the best strategies for you is to select a niche. For example, I think in the example I took the health niche. So select a niche like make money, health, relationship, patience, whatever, and then you put all the clickbait product that you want inside, and it will be directly into your website and your articles, and that's it. The job is done. You just have to wait to get some profit. So it's pretty good, and if you want to get quicker result, I suggest you to go to publish on Facebook group, on Instagram, YouTube, whatever, but try to spread your content. But it's pretty good because it's easy. You don't have to know anything. You have a good academy to help you to set up all your stores, and then you just have to wait to get your first sales. So it's pretty nice, and I really love this tool. So if you want to buy this tool, it's pretty easy. You go on the link just under the description, and I'm going to give you a tip for you to get a better deal. So once you're in the page, what you can do, it's like you can read the page and read everything that can do for you. It will maybe add more details that I did in the video, and then you can just try to quit. So you put your mouse up and you will have a pop-up, and what is good is that give you a $6 discount. So you just click here to claim the $6 discount, and it will bring you to the code. So you use this code wave6, and then you can go. So that's it. It's super easy, and I will give you a big discount, and you can have this tool for $11. So honestly, who doesn't want to start a business for $11? It's super cheap, and you can have awesome results with that. So please feel free to use the link right below. It will help the channel, and it will help me. It's an affiliate link, and I think I touch a small percentage of it. That doesn't change the price for you, of course, but just if you like this video, you can show me by using this link. I hope you will like it, and it's really a nice tool that I use with my clients in France, and I have a lot of clients that made more than 2, 3, and 10,000 bucks per month with that tool. So it's pretty good. The hard part is to get to know your website, but once you know how it works and once people know your website, it's like money on demand, and you don't have to do anything because it's SEO ranking. So I hope you like it. I wish you a very good day, and I hope you will subscribe to this channel, and please feel free to comment and tell me what you think about all of it. Have a good day. Bye.